Hey everyone! Today we're taking a splash into the ultimate weekend getaway spots, the best indoor water parks in Michigan. Whether you're looking to beat the heat, escape the winter blues, or just have a blast with the family, we've got you covered. Michigan's indoor water parks offer an oasis of fun no matter the season. Imagine sliding down thrilling water slides, floating along lazy rivers, and making a splash in wave pools, all while staying cozy indoors. And the best part? You don't need to own a pool to enjoy these aquatic adventures. From luxurious resorts to community centers, there's a splash-tastic spot for everyone. Take, for example, the Great Wolf Lodge in Traverse City, with its massive water-filled fun zone, or the Gold Rush Water Park at Double JJ Resort, perfect for family escapades. And let's not forget about the upcoming Bavarian Blast, set to be one of the largest and most exciting indoor water parks in Michigan. But it's not just about the big names. Local community centers offer fantastic water parks that are both affordable and family-friendly. Places like the Livonia Recreation Center and the Holland Community Aquatic Center provide a great way to enjoy water fun without breaking the bank. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking to relax, Michigan's indoor water parks offer something for everyone. So why wait? Dive into a weekend of unforgettable fun and make some splashy memories with your loved ones. So there you have it, folks. Michigan is home to some of the best indoor water parks that promise a weekend filled with laughter, excitement, and unforgettable family moments. Whether you're planning a winter escape or a summer adventure, these water parks are sure to make a splash. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep making waves and creating joyful memories with your loved ones. See you at the water park.